Oh my god, there's a hummingbird in our house.
Work on it. I think he's flying.
That's so adorable.
So Jenny, he actually came down long enough to...
Yeah, he came down to it. He like he was at first he was flying around and then he hit that window really hard. Like he was just flying around like that high up, not even at the ceiling yet, and then he went bang right against it. Poor fella.
He just pooped.
Oh.
Where?
No, wait, that's a feather. Never mind.
Oh. Wait, where's the feather, Megan?
I'm holding it.
Sweet. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. This is freaky. Yeah, Megan, he keeps dropping feathers. It's kind of sad.
I think it's a she because it's brown.
Yeah, maybe. I'll name her Heather.
Why?
I don't know.
That's all enough, are you?
This is awesome.
I don't want to scare it too much.
Oh.
You better scare it out of here then. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, can you reach it?
Got it, Jenny?
It's on the way, pal.
Cute. Oh, no, it landed. Just leave it be, leave it be. No, Dad. Oh my god, it keeps chirping. This is so freaky, but so adorable. Don't let him land back there. If only we could yank all those things down, it would be a lot easier.
Make it easier, yeah.
Should I start yanking them?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got him, you got him, you got him. You got him. Did he fly?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, shut everything.
He got him! He got him!
Back in.
Woo!
But it was so pretty.
Did he land on it?
I got an entire video,
Yeah,
Megan.